Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be doing another LEGO Polybag build-along. And in this case, it's going to be for set 30384. And this is this mini micro Snowspeeder. Although it's just listed as Snowspeeder. But, you know, it's going to be a small Snowspeeder. Anyway, let's open this thing up and start putting it together. And while I'm doing that, I wanted to mention, if you enjoyed this kind of video, I plan on doing LEGO Polybag build-alongs, one a day for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoyed this kind of video, please subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified when I post new videos. Alright. So let's take a look at this thing. It doesn't look too bad to put together. I mean, it looks... wait a minute. Oh, this is the wings. Bah. Alright. So, let's take a look at this. Let's start and take a look. Okay, so... we need this. And then... two of these small... they're like for door tracks or whatever. Alright, where's the other one? So, we got these two here, like so. And then we're going to need these pieces, which I'm almost certain are going to manage the wing pieces. And where's the last one? Where are you? Last piece that I need. Ah, here we go. There's the last piece that I needed. Like so. So we got that. And then that goes there. So we're set with that. And then this piece goes right here. These are very orange. And I mean, it matches the color scheme, I guess. Or at least it's close to it. And then we want two of these translucent black cheese wedges. There's one there. And the second one. And we got this piece to go right there. And then the other 1x2 brick. And then I like this little cockpit piece. That actually looks pretty good if you think about it, because you figure there's a pilot and a gunner, and you kind of get that idea. All right. So after we take care of that, we flip it over, and we put. This is kind of a weird choice. But, what the heck, we'll see how it looks. We put these like that, and like this. That's kind of odd, isn't it? Putting them in the middle. Oh well. Alright, so next. Next, what we got to do is we got this. And 1x6, attach it in the middle, like so. This goes on here. So this is going to be basically the exhaust and the thrusters, I'm guessing. That takes care of that. And we have, this is going here. So I'm guessing, okay, that's a nice touch. They even have the little harpoon. So we'll put it on now, since we know it's coming. So we got the harpoon, and then this will attach right here to the back, like so. So we get that. And you got your harpoon launcher. Alright. Next thing we gotta do is we gotta make some wings. Alright, we'll tackle these simultaneous like. So that goes here, and this goes here. And then this goes right here. And this one's going to go right here. And then this one facing inward. This one also facing inward. Inward, right there. So that's that and that. And then alright, so this is right here. And then the other orange one is going to overlap nothing, basically. It's just going to overlap the area right here. Assuming I can handle this right there. And I would have a pair of gray ones. They're laid out the same way. And same for this one. Make sure we have orange on the inside and gray on the outside, like so. And we have an orange piece and something that's going to make it look like it has a vent right there. And the orange piece and the thing that makes it look like it has a vent right here. And then we need to add the guns. So this goes here. And this one is going to go here, like so. And then this, it's actually really nice with this one. You can make sure they're even because it just lines straight up. You basically push it all the way back. And you push this one all the way back and snap it in, like so. And that takes care of our two wings. And then we just attach them. So wing number 1 and wing number 2. Alright. That's kind of cool looking. Although I think this is probably the ideal spot for it. And that's it. I'll tell you one thing that I'm noticing, and this might have just been me, but it always seems like the microships in like the polybags, they seem bigger once you get them put together. Now, it actually sits okay. This is kind of neat looking. I mean, like it's definitely reminiscent of the Snowspeeder. What do y'all think? How did they do, you know, Snowspeeder wise? I like the adjustability of the wings too, and how they kind of lock, because I mean, like they're not like loose hinges. Oops, they're not loose hinges. So you can have it look Snowspeedery. Wow, Snowspeedery. I don't know if that's really a word. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. If you think this is a cool polybag or not. Also, if you have any questions, or if there are any polybags you think I should take a look at that are really neat to build, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.